Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Well, today I decided to do a very quick trip to Dollarama, and who better yet to keep me company than you. So come along with me and see what they have at Dollarama, specifically looking for Valentine's Day. Hope you enjoy! This display makes me so happy. They have quite an array of Valentine's Day stuffies for your significant other, your loved one, friends, whoever it may be. This sequence heart is so pretty. It's red on the one side, and when you rub it, it turns gold. And a perfect accent for a decor throw pillow on your bed, a child's bed, a couch. And they had these beautiful cushions with sayings on them and stuffies for the little ones or the big ones. But just loved it. Just makes me so happy. These vases coming up here, they're so pretty. They totally give me the Kate Spade vibes. The black and white, and they also had black and white stripes. So pretty. They also have a Valentine themed one. And check out these cushions or throw pillows. They are screaming spring and summer to me. Just look at these sayings, look at the colors. So beautiful. Hello, spring. And it goes with pretty much any decor. I just love them. They're not tacky at all. I'm really contemplating purchasing this bamboo tray. It's so pretty. It's so trendy these days to put cheeses and grapes and cold cuts. It makes such a nice display. And check out these trays. Again, screaming spring and summer. I don't know necessarily whether I would use it inside my house, but definitely for a garden party, a barbecue. They're so pretty. I just love them. And these battery operated lights make such a nice accent piece. Put it on a tray with greenery. It looks so pretty. And look at these candles. Oh my goodness. Do they not remind you of Bath and Body Works? So pretty. Well, that concludes my little shop with me. I told you it was rather small, quick in and out, but I promise you I will have a haul for you with everything that I purchased this time around, so stay tuned for that. And like always, thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.